down, lay down. Stretch your legs out. Put your arms behind your back. Perfect, perfect. Oh gosh, seriously? Is against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you by the court. Do you understand your rights?
Yeah.
Do you want to exercise any of your rights at this time? All right. Carefully stand up. Okay, let's go. All right, stand right here. Okay, I'm gonna give you a quick pat down. Do you have anything on you that can harm or stick me, poke me?
Nope.
Okay. All right. Come on over. I want you to watch your head. I'm gonna buckle you in. Stand against that wall, face it. All right. We'll give you another pat down. Okay. Let's go for processing. All right, go and take a seat here, and I'm going to cut them to the bench. Perfect. All right, so I'm going to go ask the warden what he wants done with you, and I will be right back. so I'm going to remove the cuffs from the bench. When I do, I want you to face this wall right here. Wall. So I'm now going to walk you to your cell, and we are going to go ahead and do your interrogation in the cell per the warden's request.